Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to fix login error issues while logging. So to know how to fix, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. As we know that Tubi is an on-demand movies and TV shows originals and live TV streaming channel without you having to sell out for a monthly subscription. So to explore all these features you need to log into the account, but if you are facing any kinds of error, this is the video for you. So to fix the error, first thing you need to make sure that your device is highly connected to a very strong and stable internet connection so that you won't face any kind of internet issues while logging. So and secondly, there might be various updates respectively to their app. So if there are any kind of updates available, you need to simply update your app accordingly. So to update your app, you need to go to your app store, or if you're an Android user, you can simply visit your Play Store. So after that, you need to click on the app store, and there's the option search, and you need to search the respective app in which you are facing error. So as I'm facing error in Tubi, I need to search the app Tubi, and after that here you can see there is no any updates available. So that it means there is no updates available. You do not have to update the app. So if there might be any updates available, you need to simply update your app and fix your login error. And thirdly, you can visit your settings, and after that, this is the very first homepage of the app settings, and you need to scroll it up and go to the option general, and after that you need to go to the option app and storage, and again you need to search the respective app, which is Tubi. After finding the app Tubi, you need to click on the app, and there you can see the option offload app, which is highlighted in color blue. You need to simply click on that, and again you need to click on the option offload app, and after that there will be the option reinstall app. Now you have to again click on the option reinstall app, which is also highlighted in color blue, and after clicking on this app, your app will be reinstalled within a very few seconds. So this is how you can fix the login error, which is very easy to solve it. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.